Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Haris. I am 5 years old. I study at AV Nursery and Primary School. Today I am a talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi was a great leader of India. He loved peace and helped India become free. He worked simple class and use a stick walk. Is called a father of the nation. Thank you. Today I am going to talk about Independence Day. The India got independence on August 16, 1947. It is our national festival. On this day, we should remember our freedom fighters with patriotic spirit. Let's be proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Everyone, my name is Dr. Ambedkar. Hello everyone. My name is Subhash Chandra Bose. You feel a fighter. India has some to be far India freedom. My father was jailed. My it was 52. Thank you. Start. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Masood. I study at Navy Nursery and Primary School. Today I am going to talk about Independence Day. We are celebrated 77th Independence Day. Independence to us the right to free, right to us peace, and all our culture versus freely. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Hello everyone. My name is Jessica. I study at AV Nursery Primary School. I am Indira Gandhi, first female of India.